How to fix the issue where your Lenovo touchpad is not working. So if you're trying to use your touchpad and it's not responding or working, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now the first solution is you want to try pressing the FN key and also the F10 key on your keyboard at the same time. So you can see that when I press these two keys together, it either enables or it disables the touchpad. So it may just be the case you've accidentally disabled the touchpad. So when you see the message on the screen saying touchpad enabled, that's when you can go and try and use the touchpad, and that should have solved your issue. If it's not working, the next step is to open up the start menu on your computer, go in search for settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices, and then scroll down and click on touchpad. Now first of all, make sure the touchpad is obviously turned on and enabled. You can then click on this drop down arrow, make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is turned on, and if that still doesn't work, you can always try pressing this reset button. Now if it's still not working, open up your start menu, search for device manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices, and you need to go and locate your touchpad driver. So it should say touchpad in the name like you can see here. If you can't see this, you can always click on view and press show hidden devices. Now once you've found this, just right click on it, click on uninstall device, and then press uninstall. Once you've uninstalled this, you'll need to go in, restart your computer, and then it will automatically reinstall this driver, and you should now be able to use your touchpad. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.